Hey, hey you, remember, do something you enjoy today. Do it. Welcome people. Today I'm going to make a nice easy fish cake for the holidays. You can have this as a snack or eat it as part of a dinner. I'm not making many cakes because I have to eat everything myself, of course. I don't want to get too fat. But you can scale it up as you want when you make it. So, let's get started and we'll see how it ends up. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 393 degrees Fahrenheit and grab a bowl. Add a can of tuna or about 2 tablespoons of tuna into the bowl. You can use other fish as well, like salmon or crab. Then you have crab cakes. Next up, add some cream cheese. I'm using cream cheese with added chives. If you cannot find cream cheese with added chives, you can just use cream cheese and add your own chives. 1 heaping spoonful, tablespoon. Add a little bit of salt, some black pepper to taste, lemongrass, paprika powder and onion powder. Now mix everything together. It is better if you have a big bowl, of course, but all my big bowls are in the dishwasher. When all your ingredients are nicely mixed, grab a greased up oven dish. I'm using a muffin shape for this, because why not? I'm going to fill the holes with pastry dough. Like so. And now your fish filling can be added as well. Perfect. Top your cakes with some grated cheese. And put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. And there you go. Festive fish cakes for the cold winter days. And there you go. My first impression, they look and smell better than I expected. And they are more juicy than I thought they would be. Oh, it's still very hot. But it's good. It's very nice. Creamy. Fishy. Very nice. It's a great snack during the winter time. Very good. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.